Welcome to week 10 of my e-commerce and product sourcing business journey in China. Last week, the International Home Furnishing Expo in the Building, Decorations and Materials Expo in Beijing. With the highlights, these events showcased everything from cutting-edge home furnishings to revolutionary construction materials, including luxury curtains, smart showers, and security doors with advanced sensors. State-of-art machinery for manufacturing products like wooden cabinets and custom furniture were also on display. Connections were made with leading manufacturers, and arrangements are now in place to visit their factories and showrooms. In my upcoming videos, the winning products chosen will be shared along with behind the scenes looks at the factories. Preparations are also underway for future events to find the best products for e-commerce and drop shipping. So stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for the latest insights into Chinese products and future trending products. Thank you for watching.